I gotta go this way for video, right? Yeah.
He's a big boy. Looks like you should be able to just pick it up and throw it on there.
Damn, dude, you blocked our view. Total retard. There's always plenty of retards. We're gonna have two of them stuck here in a minute. See where his snorkels are for his air box? They're up there in the front, above the handlebars. Because that bike never died. That was total stupidity. Plenty of retards down here this weekend. They're everywhere. Retard City. We're going to watch a couple of Jeeps sink here soon. Alright, he's stuck. Me can't get out. He made it.
I put my Jeep there last year and tipped it this way.
So you're a retard even when you have a Jeep.
Go that way.
Holy cow, look how deep that is. Yeah, that would drown our bikes. Yeah, right there. There's your hole.
Yeah, a little deep. I would recommend it. Go for it.
Did he sink it again? He sunk it over there on the other side of that rock.
Sure did.
I want to see these Jeep people get floating. Just too many idiots here for me to keep the video all on the same thing.